Yes, everyone, and today I'm back with you for a new game called World of Warships. I think, I had this game for about 6,000 seconds, and it looks pretty cool. I should try it out. Wait, I already did try it out, but I need to get a battleship. Oh, let's go. Don't mind my email, just don't. No, don't look at my email either. World of Warship, here we go. Bum 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 bum. Okay, come on, load, come on, hurry, load. What? No, I don't care. Go back. Yeah, there we go. Let me purchase some slots. Purchase. Yes. 4 slots now. That's good. Well, I'm currently using the Chester American ship. I'm starting on the American line. I need to get a battleship before I move on to like Germany or Britain. So I'm using, this is my cruiser ship. This is my destroyer ship, which has torpedoes. Yep, and that's basically it. Let me start out on my Chester ship first. Let's go, free play. Okay, I'll stop. Oh yeah, smoke screens. That's what destroyers use. They used to smoke. Graphics look pretty nice. Not as good as I wanted though. But that won't be a problem. And this looks like a conquest point capture. Yeah, looks like a point capture. There's the front of the ship. As you can see, it only has 4 guns. 4 guns only. That's it. Not even joking. That's it. Let's just go full steam up to point A and hope we don't get dead. Yep. Let's hope we don't get dead. My little destroyer with here. Let me try and get a shot at him. Ooh. Oh, that was so close. Oh, that was so close. Oh, that was so close. I almost hit. I think I got scared. I don't know. Okay, let me put on autopilot right here. Autopilot. Sighted on the horizon. Stop hitting me. So there's a ship on all the way over there. Reach. My bullets are just short of. I can't reach him. Ooh, I can reach this shit. Enemy battleship sighted. Ooh, hit him 3 times. Nice. Whee! Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Torpedoes, direct front.
Where's torpedoes? That's my practice torpedoes, dumbass. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. scared. Not even scared. Not bad. Could be. Actually, they're super. Stop. Oh, that's a freaking destroyer. Freaking battleship. Why? I was using HE. Not actually fighting you. Yeah. Let's go autopilot right here.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Yeah, this dude's last one.
Autopilot mode disabled. Autopilot mode enabled.
Oh, that was close. That was very close. Up map. Okay, I need to go for these ships. Okay, that was stupid. I shall never ever do that. Like, never. They're all the way over there. This is so far. What's wrong with you guys? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, a victory. With the tester shit. Even though I got no kills, I got so much. I fight against real players. Stay up to free. Ooh. Anyway, guys, this was like one of my first battles in this new game called World of Warships that they've been putting on advertisement like crazy. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.